Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Photoshop. And in today's video, I'll show you how to export for web legacy in Adobe Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on File. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to Export. Then go ahead and click on Save for Web Legacy. So this window here is going to pump up right here. So you can use this particular arrow right here to zoom in, and then so that this allow you to see the full export. So one more thing about this particular Save for Web Legacy has here is the preview button right here, which allow you to see how the image is going to look like on the web. So let's click on the preview, and in a few seconds it's going to redirect us to the web page, whereby we can see how it's going to look like on the web, just like so. So you see how it's going to look like on the web right here, and the format here is in JPEG, and the dimension is 1920. So everything is going to be given right here. So let's go back to Photoshop. So right here we can decide the file format. So for that we have to come to the top right here. So click on here. You can decide to save it as GIF, JPEG, PNG-8, PNG-4, or WBMP. So in this regard, I'm going to just put it in PNG-8 right here, and check on the preview. After you choose your file format, so you can go ahead and check on the preview. It still look very much cool. So you can use this plus sign right here to zoom out and see if the quality still remain. But however, if you are not satisfied with the quality, go back and change the format. So I'm going to go ahead and change to PNG-24 right here, and let's check on the look. Boom. So this is pretty cool right here. So you can see the quality right here is 100%. So if I try to zoom out, and then you see there is no blurry, everything remains calm and cool. So next thing we want to do right here is to come down below right here, and what we want to do is to go ahead and click on Save. So finally, we have to choose our file location and come down right here. We click on Save, and the file is going to be saved as PNG-24 in web fashion. It's that simple. So this is how to export for web legacy in Photoshop PNG file format. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.